up, guys, it's a Green Line train. It's gonna be a while. I mean, it's gonna be a long time until we get on a train. There's no Yellow Line train coming. That's that door.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. The door comes.
How can you tell this is a Green Line train?
It says Green Line. It says Grand Shaft. That's a Green Line terminal. Wow, it takes forever. Grand Avenue is a Green Line terminal. When are the doors gonna close? Oh. Just behind the train, right? When are the doors ever gonna close? Hey. Finally, man! I did that last time. I'm getting a ride video. Wow. I just want to put my hand on video. No, I'm trying to take a video.
That's what I do.